This video shows how to buy shares of Microchip Technology Inc., ticker MCHP. Microchip is a semiconductor company that makes microcontrollers and analog chips, listed on NASDAQ as MCHP. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds to buy shares. Open the platform search and type the ticker code MCHP to find Microchip Technology Inc. Confirm you have selected the correct listing on NASDAQ and open the company entry shown by the search results. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for MCHP. Check the company summary, market, and ticker to make sure this is the correct Microchip Technology Inc. stock. Tap or click Invest to create a buy order, then choose the amount you want to invest and review the order details. Confirm the trade only after checking cost and fees. If the market is closed, the order may become a pending or market on open order. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the purchase. Once executed, your MCHP position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.